What is up, everybody? Welcome to this new video Tech Express. I'm going to be showing you how to advertise your Shopify dropshipper. So do you already have your Shopify? You have added a product, and what is left to be done? I believe that you wanted to reach people. You want people to reach your actual store totally for free, because there are actually a few ways that we can do this, but you wanted to pay for ads, you want to make some advertisement on social medias, or you wanted to create some blogs, or you can create an actual website, and then later on you can just improve that and share this into Google. So I'm going to be showing you a few things that you can do in order to do like the best thing, so you can, let's say, jump straight into your very first selling stuff into dropshipping supplier. So once you have your store, once you have your Shopify store created by a dropshipping supplier, in my case I'm using CJ Dropshipping, and I use this product to list it into my store. So I'm actually making dropshipping from this product, which is a colorful jellyfish lamp with a clock luminous foldable stereo breathing. So it's actually looking great. I like this product. This is the very first and easy step to follow along with the dropshipping stuff. You wanted to like the product that you wanted to sell. If you're just selling by selling, you're not going to get anything. So it's really important to look out for the product that you're actually interested in to buy even yourself. Now I have my product. What I can do is to first of all optimize my store so I can get a few passive income people that comes directly from Google. So if I type, for example, the jellyfish lamp inside Google, let's go for jellyfish lamp. What I wanted to do is to aim for, I wanted to appear into the very first part of Google. In my case, as you can see, we have a lit fantasy jellyfish lamp from Amazon, and then I'm gonna scroll down and I have this that is come from actually YouTube reviews, jellyfish lamp from Mercado Libre, jellyfish lamp for jellyfishlamps.com, jellyfish Japanese sensory education. So if you wanted to be featured in the very first part of Google, you wanted to look out for a product that is not that demanded. There's a lot of competition, number one, and number two is to change the settings from your actual Shopify store. If I go and exit here, I'm going to focus into my settings. And here into my settings, I want to check out the store name. I wanted to add the most and precise information about my store. I wanted to import text, hashtags, everything that's related into my product, which in my case is a jellyfish lamp. So my store name should be called, let's say, jellyfishes or jellylampsgrade.com. I don't know, something related into my product, because I wanted to do like a great research of my product. Now if I focus into my brand, I wanted to do exactly the same thing. I wanted to be creative. I wanted to have like the best tools that I can be showing to the people who are going to be taking let's say a first step into my store. So get into brand. And here you wanted to add your default logo, the square, the primary, secondary cover images, slogan. Add your short description. Into your short description, you wanted to add as much text as you can. For example, jellyfish USB lamp, or you wanted to add colorful lamp, or jellyfish lamp only. You want to use this information into your own short descriptions as well into your actual social links. So hit into save. Managing your brand settings is going to be taking you into the help center, so it's not that important, but if you want, you can focus once you get into your custom data. These are a few meta fields that can be helping you to customize piece of data to a specific part of your actual store. And hit into recommended apps, for example, and here I can try to maybe look out for something else that can be helping me to optimize my store, which in my case I'm going to open a new tab. You can go for CEO, hit into enter, and now we have a lot of categories, but here you want to look out for something that can be helping you totally for free. You don't want to pay a lot here, so just focus into booster of the CEO, for example, and this one should be helping us once again all-in-one CEO tools to optimize organic traffic. So as you can see, this is the actual main part that can be helping you to get like more precise stuff into the booster CEO. As you can see, this one has a free plan available, 1 day free trial. So don't focus in that, focus on something that can be much more easier and cheaper for you. If you think that this one is actually working for you, then later on you can stick around with like a plan if you want to, or just leave it like that and look out for another application. Now the last thing, or the other thing that I can be telling you to do, is to start by creating content, legit viral content into the social medias. This is the best way so far to create organic reach from a social media, from a website, from whatever place. But this is the part which you actually wanted to start by customizing stuff. If I buy my product, if I buy this product, I wanted to create an actual video for this product, and then I wanted to make a viral video so I can reach organic audience. And then later on, if I create my actual store, what I want to do inside, I'm going to check it out here that I have a URL. This is the part where you wanted to add your actual Shopify store, and people are going to be linked it directly into my store, going to be checking this product. And then the last part is to buy the product. So you wanted to convince people to buy the product directly from my actual social media. This is the most powerful way to actually make some organic audience send it directly into my store. The most easiest and cheap way is to do some stuff, is to do some viral products inside your social medias. If you don't know how to do this, if you don't have enough time, if you think that you are not material for an influencer, you can try to contact an influencer that can be helping you to do this. There's actually millions of people now who are creating videos, and you can have like a really affordable prices, so people can start to, let's say, create videos for your own products. So this can be helping you a lot, really a lot, to bring organic audience into your store and create some really huge sales. Because at the end of the day, what we're going to be making is to drive traffic from people who are really interested into my product inside the actual store, so they can be incentivized to buy the product. Then something else that you can do is to actually join a forums from Facebook or join forums from Reddit, for example. So if you remember when we searched about jellyfish lamps, scrolling a little bit down, you have an actual discussion section. For example, we have Reddit here. Jellyfish lamps are so last year, my new jellyfish lamp during quarantine. So if I join these actual blog section, that can be helping me is to, let's say, start by making a conversation and to drive some traffic once again, totally for free. You wanted to have like a balance. If you don't have time, you want to have money in order to have success. But if you don't have money, you need to have huge time to have success into your store. So this is like a balance that you need to have in mind. So the last thing that you can do, if I go back into the same example, check it out that we do have here videos. So there's a lot of people that are making reviews for a product, the unboxing and the review, and at the end of the day, if you like what you see, what they usually do, what these guys usually do, is to leave a link down below in the description of the video. This is a way of they can actually make money and to bring more valuable content into your actual store. So that's the way of how you can actually do some actual organic stuff into your Shopify store. You can even add promotional codes once people are in here, so you can get people more incentivized to buy your product a little bit more faster. But at the end of the day, once again, these are just a few tools that can be helping you to get started into and driving some traffic into your Shopify store. Having applications, paying for stuff can be helping you, but at the end of the day, I believe that so far the best way to promote your stuff, to make some ads totally for free, is by making content through social medias, in this case TikTok. Check out this video, we have 5 million views. I bet this guy actually didn't have to pay absolutely for anything. This guy just import, create a video, and that's it. So hopefully this was very useful information for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools of how you can improve your actual CEO of your actual store. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe once again, and hopefully I will see you on the next video.